Hello guys, welcome to my first ever vlog. The only reason I wanted to make this vlog because I really want to distract myself. Right now I'm in a hell lot of pain. It's my second day of period. First day of my periods are generally like very normal. The second day so fucking hard, I don't know. After waking up I got to face lot of struggles, like my level of struggles. So judge me, whatever. Today she didn't come. So I thought it's okay, chalo. Today also she didn't come. My god, what should I do? I just called her and she said, Mari vahune baby hai uchhane. So before congratulating her, I asked her, "Okay, then क्या रहा हो?" And she was like, 10-12 दिवस तो नहीं आ जाओ. I was just so doomed in my own fucking problems. Before cutting call, I just said, "Oh my god, congratulations. मारी तो लागी गई." It's so severe fucking pain. વાસણો, ઘરમાં ગંદકી, બધું એમને. On the other side, I'm so hungry. I scrolled everything on Zomato. I ended up ordering nothing because it's day 4 of my diet. No, I'm not at all craving any of outside food. So I started searching things on. So I started searching on YouTube how to make bhindi with less oil. Because apparently I was craving bhindi since 2 days. With dal rice, that kurkuri bhindi. I don't know about you, but I crave those things for real. So I started searching bhindi with less oil because bhindi needs oil like devil. I got no strength. Back to square one. I started giving this gentle stroke to my tummy. Since 10 to 15 minutes, need to eat something soulful. So I am thinking of rotla and turia galka. બેમાંથી શું કહેવાય મને આઈડિયા નથી, બટ જે સ્મૂધ હોય એ વાળું એનું શાક. Because on Sunday I stocked up everything because I knew this will happen. In fact, I have stocked rice, cooked rice and cooked dal in my freezer also. I've read it the cooked rice you store in freezer, there's something to do with its glycemic index. It becomes more beneficial. The reason I've done this because I know there would be some hard days where things wouldn't work on my favor. For those days I kept rice and dal cooked. I've eaten it for twice. I'm not at all craving those dal rice. So I think my reason worked while talking to camera and getting a bit distracted, and this stroke, everything worked bit better, but still feeling that I wouldn't be able to run to kitchen. Whenever I get this kadkadti bhook, I run and I do things out of my capacity. आई डोंट नो मैं कौन से ग्रह की प्राणी हूँ, क्योंकि अभी तो चलो इतनी खराब हालत चल रही है बॉडी में, तो पता नहीं चल रहा मुझे ठंड लग रही है गर्मी. आई कीप स्विचिंग ऑन एंड ऑफ एसी. भूख इतनी ज़्यादा लग रही है कब से, एंड थोड़े से मेरे स्ट्रेस एंड पेन लेवल्स कम हुए हैं. आई स्टॉप्ड taking medication, pain medication, unless and until I'm somewhere. This is the first time I'm not, I'm at home while periods. Otherwise, it's every time I'm traveling, I'm at somewhere and this happens. Every time. Since a year to this is happening. This is the first time I'm chill and relax at home and periods is happening. So unless and until it's like need of the moment, I don't take medications. I'm so proud of myself. Eating pads and everything works well. Right now I'm just too lazy to find them. But yes, we are going to cook and make some wholesome meal for ourselves. तो चलिए दोस्तों, थोड़ी सी कुकिंग करते हैं. Come on यार, I can do it. Look at myself. Am I looking like a human? No. Not at all. So rain stopped. It's nice. Oh, look at my plant. Happy. So I shifted it for 2 to 3 days. Might be 2 to 3 days. And अब हमको फ़ोन तो हाथ में हम नहीं रख सकते. This is बाजरे का आटा.
Always been such a pretty girl.
So हमने एक सीरीज स्टार्ट करी है, द सर्वाइवर. This is the first episode only because we need some distraction while cooking. And बर्तन पड़े हैं. गॉड, कब करेंगे, कब? भाई मासी भाई. सो प्लान ये है, फर्स्ट आई विल मेक सब्जी at this tree. तुरई गलका, I don't know, I think it's गलका. First we'll make this and then last में हम बनाएंगे रोटला गरम गरम and then I'll eat. So चलो मिलते हैं once I make it. And this spready is made with crushed peanuts. This is the way I like because my mom makes like this. So I love it. Rotla, keri, kachi keri and onions. Now I can die in heaven. Let's eat it and then rest it and just forget everything and just rest. Really finished the entire plate and I'm now good. In a happy space. Now, being Guccu, I just need chash. And after chash, I'm just gonna crash on my bed. Maybe I'll try to find 8 beds. And if I'll not find, fuck, who cares? Hello guys, you can see I'm good. I don't get any noon naps because I'm not habituated to do so. शाम हो चुकी है बढ़िया सी and now we'll just make a coffee and look at it. Weather is nice. It's really nice. So I tried vlogging my emotions while being in pain and I know if you're a girl you will resonate with me that sometimes it becomes difficult to survive in, you know, and that too when you are alone without any house help and you know that day things are not working in your favor, so you just have to keep your shit together. That's what I did today and I'm really happy that I started vlogging and this might inspire me to vlog further. So guys, bye for now. If you stayed until this part of the video, that means you really connected with me and I hope we'll see each other in future also. You can subscribe me and if you like it, again like me, that will make me happy and yeah, we'll see next when I vlog and we'll vlog something good, okay? So bye for now, bye bye.